Hello everyone and welcome back to the workshop. In today's video, we're repairing a dry dent using the Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) method without applying any heat. This technique works best when the paint is still in good condition and the dent is small or moderate. The first step is to inspect the damaged area carefully. Check that the paint has no cracks or chips. Clean the panel thoroughly with a microfiber cloth and a surface cleaner to remove dirt, grease, and dust. A clean surface makes it easier to see the exact shape of the dent. Next, gain access to the back of the panel if possible. Using a paintless dent repair rod, apply slow, controlled pressure from behind the dent. Start at the outer edges and gradually work toward the center. Avoid using excessive force. Small, gentle pushes produce a smoother repair and help maintain the original shape of the panel. If the back of the panel cannot be reached, use a glue pulling kit. Attach the glue tab to the center of the dent, allow the glue to set, and use a dent lifter or slide hammer to gently pull the dent outward. Remove the tab, inspect the surface, and repeat the process if necessary until the dent is corrected. After the dent is removed, inspect the panel under a reflection board. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this repair, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional automotive